welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all well. My today's video for juniors. In this video, we are going to learn what is horizontal subtraction. In my previous video, we learned that what is horizontal addition. In today's video, students, we are going to learn what is horizontal subtraction. First of all, we have a question which is 9 minus, this sign is called minus. This sign is minus. 9 minus 3. Now we have, first of all, we will count these balloons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, we have 9 balloons here in which we have to subtract. This is a sign of subtraction. We have to take away 3 balloons, right? 9 first digit is 9. It means we have 9 balloons, right? And minus 3. It means we have to take away 3 balloons from 9 balloons, right? We will take away 3, and how many left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 balloons left. Now count these balloons also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, the answer is very good. The answer is 6. Alright, next we have 5 ice creams here. How many ice creams? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. How many ice creams? 5. It means our question is 5 minus our subtraction by 2. Very good. Now we will take away 2 ice creams from 5 ice creams, right? We will take away 2 ice creams. How many left? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It means 3 is our answer. 3 is our answer. Very good. Alright, next we have, how many strawberries are there? We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. We have 6 strawberries here. Now we will take away 2 from these 6, right? One and 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Very good. It means our answer is 4. Our answer is 4. Very good. Now, how many candles we have? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. How many candles we have? 8. Now we will take away 1. Very good. We will take away 1. Very good. Now we have take away 1. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles we have left 7. It means our answer is 7. Very good.